this video we are going to create a random code generator using JavaScript. We have a div element, and inside that we have another div, and we have given respective IDs, and make sure to link CSS and JavaScript. In this example we are using an array of codes. So this code is containing objects. So the object has two properties, a code itself and the other. Let's create three variables, one for the text and the second one for the other, and the third one to display the new code.
There's something about you, and I can't let go. A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again, just to feel the thrill. It's something
Now let's define a function get random code. Now this function will get the index of each code. So we initialize first index. Now we got the index. Let's return the codes by using the index. Now let's check whether this function returning the code or not. Let's console it. Now to display the code, we will use another function. First we have the code in, now we have the code here in code variable. To display this code on text and other HTML element, we will use text content equal to dot see the code has the object code. So to access this code we have to use the dot method, right? You have to use a dot. let's go back to the code. Now we have the code. Now to display the order, use the same code dot order. We will show this code only when the button is clicked, right? So we have the query selector here, which is new code in this case. So we'll add an event listener. Okay, now we have a fully functioning random code generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So what we have learned in this example: storing data in an array, selecting and modifying HTML element, generating random numbers using Math.random, defining and calling functions in JavaScript, adding event